right, so we are making a pot de creme, or a pot de scream, as I like to call it today, because it is Halloween. And like I said, this is the perfect dessert to make tonight because it takes no time to make it all, and you don't even have to bake it. So Kate is heating up our milk. Into this blender, I'm going to add in some chocolate chips, whatever kind you have on hand. I'm using dark chocolate, but you could use semi-sweet, you could use white. I'm gonna add in a little bit of sugar, 1 whole egg, a teaspoon of some instant espresso powder to kind of give it that coffee flavor.
Delicious.
Because I'm gonna kind of make like a Mexican hot chocolate coffee vibe since we have this Mexican stuff going on. A little bit of cinnamon flavored whiskey.
Nice!
Because it is a holiday, right?
Yum!
Add that in. Kate, would you pour in that hot milk? And then right after you pour in that hot milk, you want to turn on the blender, get it nice and smooth. And it'll look like a really nice like hot chocolate, but then once you put it in the fridge, for about an hour, it firms up and it turns into this really delicious kind of hot pudding. And since we are making a hot chocolate, I kind of want to spice it up a bit, so I brought some spices.
It's in his little fanny pack.
Ancho chili powder.
A little chili powder.
What else do we have? Cayenne pepper is good.
Pepper.
I think that's good.
Okay.
All right, so let's turn that on. And then I made some vanilla whipped cream and some chocolate whipped cream. So I kind of like to do...
Chocolate whipped cream and vanilla whipped cream, you guys.
So I do a layer of both. So you fill it up halfway with that. And then I'm going to come in with my vanilla. Boom.
Boom!
And then once it's nice and full, I get into my fanny pack and grab my spatula. And then you just level off the top like that. And we garnish it with some more cayenne pepper.
Yeah!
Boom. And then maybe a little skull on top.
Yeah, and
maybe
some
a
spiders.
spider. Boom.